So this is one way I learned to cut watermelon to make it more interesting and easier to eat. Take the watermelon and cut it into 2 equal halves. To do this, your knife has to be very sharp. You can see that I'm struggling a bit here with the knife because my knife is not as sharp as it should be. So make sure your knife is very sharp. The sharper the knife is, the more you're going to go through this in the breeze. So cut it into equal halves, like I've done in the video now, and place one side of it face down on a clean surface. I've already washed the cutting board and it's very clean. Then pick your knife and cut diagonally, like I'm doing now, into strips like 2.5 centimeters thick. Cut the whole piece into strips like that diagonally. Then after you finish cutting in one direction, you rearrange the watermelon and cut in the other direction like I am doing right now in the video. Yeah, and that's it. You have your watermelon in strips. Yeah, you can see how beautiful that is, how inviting. And how luscious it is. Yes, you can serve it that way, or you can move to the next step by getting toothpicks or kebab sticks to insert into the strips of watermelon, like I am doing right now. Yeah, this will make it easier to pick it. Isn't that beautiful? That's all for today. Kindly leave a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.